The day after Ella's communion was allocated to the exploration of Heidelberg Township. We got visitors from Bad Oeynhausen, Gerd and Doris, and so we are in good company to do just that. We parked our car close to the old high barn and then made our way along the Esplanada to the bridge which we wanted to see first. Because from over there we can observe or we can enjoy a good view over the city and the surroundings. Here we are in a position where we have the first glimpse onto the gate of the bridge. And from here we also could see the full length of the bridge, which was actually destroyed during the World War II, but later on rebuilt again. And that is really nice because it's a bridge which belongs to Heidelberg. And so we continued our way until we came to the gate, and here we had a look at the famous bridge monkey. My God, it looks funny, and it carries a mirror so that you can watch in there yourself. Now, from here, you see, by the way, Doris on the left-hand side in front of the gate. We went through that gate and up the bridge, along some sculptures, until we came to the pulpit at the center of the bridge, from where we had nice looks clockwise from left to right, and we started watching all the nice places. And that it actually started with looking at this beautiful villa on the left hand side, and then continuing up the river with a close up to that weir and the locks, which is certainly most interesting for the engineer. And now we wanted to see the castle, and this was our first impression, but we soon realized that this one is actually not the castle, but a little bit higher situated. It looks good. I remember 10 years ago we were actually visiting it and we were most impressed. Today we were satisfied with just looking at it, particularly this close up, and then we had seen enough. We went back. By the way, here is a beautiful picture from the castle above the bridge, which we could observe if we were rowing down there. Unfortunately, we are not in that position, and therefore we continued back into the township via that beautiful gate of the bridge. Whilst we were going back into the town, we came along Goldener Hecht, and that restaurant made us clear that we meanwhile are hungry and thirsty. So what we had to do, we visited Vetter. The nice girl in Vetter then gave us something to drink and to eat until we were happy. And here I can come back a little bit in history. 10 years ago we were in there and had a meal as well, and by that time we were actually very surprised about that appearance of the tanks where they prepare the beer in. But we are not beer drinking nowadays, we are concentrated on whiskey, so therefore after we had our meals and drinks, we continued our walk through the township. And now have a look at those places which we found are the nicest ones in town. Hello, little girl. Are you watching us from behind your window? apart from the Philosopher's Way, there is also a way in Heidelberg with the name Elizabeth's Way. We haven't been there. Nevertheless, we found a picture of it and hang it on to our report. Now we conclude our visit with this picture and go now to the next event, and that is a visit to Strasbourg.